Today we will be showing you how to replace a switch fabric module in a Juniper EX 8200 series network switch. This video only applies to EX 8200 series switches with separate switch fabric modules. To begin, you will need to determine if you have an 8208 or 8216 series EX switch, as the command for these two replacements are different. Once you have determined if you have the EX8208 or the EX8216, then use the commands shown on screen to offline the switch fabric module. In an EX8208, the slot location in the command will always be number 2. In an EX8216, you will need to determine the location of the faulty switch fabric module first, and then offline that slot using the command shown on screen. Once you have ensured the faulty switch fabric is offline, you will need to undo the captive screws holding the card in the chassis. Then you can use the eject handles to unseat the switch fabric module from the chassis. Carefully slide the module straight back and out of the chassis and set it to the side. Slide the replacement switch fabric module in and secure it with the captive screws. Go back into the CLI and use the command shown on screen to verify the switch fabric is now in a healthy state once more. The replacement is now complete. If you have any issues with your switch fabric module replacement, please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will assist you.